In this demo, let's look at the Quotes module of Axis. As with the other Axis modules, once you log in, click the large desktop button to access the Quotes module, or if you are already working in another Axis module, select Quotes from the main menu at the top of the user interface. Quotes displays stock ticker data provided by Refinitiv, formerly Thomson Reuters. Here, we're looking at the S&P 500 index based on the entries in the stock symbol and stock name fields. I can determine the period for which I want to display data from the drop-down here. For example, last trading day, today, last week, or last month. As you can see, there was a major sell-off on July 19, so I am going to add a marker to highlight this. The sell-off in this case was due to COVID fears, and I can label the marker accordingly. For the sake of comparison, let's look at some other stocks and see how they performed that same day. I am typing the symbol for Ford here in the symbol field. You can see that Ford also dropped at this time, but like the S&P, it then recovered. Notice that this graph not only includes price, but also volume data. Look at the bottom of the graph. On the date where our marker is, you can see the spike in trading volume as well, and you can see other days where trading was high. You may turn off the volume display here at the top left, and then you have a larger display for the price graph. GM released their earnings report this morning, so let's have a look at how their stock is performing based on that news. I type in GM with the period set to today. You can see that GM is trending lower today, following a failure to meet earnings expectations. Meanwhile, if I type in Pfizer and leave the period set for today, I see their stock is trending upwards on news that the FDA will soon grant their COVID vaccine full approval. Their partner, BioNTech, is also showing significant gains on this same news. Now, we've been looking at a blue background with a yellow to orange gradient graph. Your quotes display may be customized by our creative services department, or you can create your look yourself. Start by clicking the Designer tab here on the top left. Here you can upload your own background image, or you can completely turn off the background if you want to layer your chart over another graphic or video. You can also select a different font, select the alignment, and change the color of the font. This is very easy and intuitive, similar to font controls in any application. You can also change the look of the graph itself. Here I am switching from a gradient to a solid red, or I can change it to no fill, just an outline. I can disable the grid lines and even move certain components. In short, the design tool is very intuitive and easy to use. Once your graphic is ready for download, you must enter a title here. For this demo, I'll just call the graph Sample Quote. Then I will click Assemble down here on the bottom right. Give it a moment to composite, and then once it's ready, I can download it as a PNG. If I plan to composite the quote over another graphic or a video background, I can turn off the background and assemble and then download again. Now I have a stock quote chart ready to layer over a darker background, and that is the Quotes module. Thank you for watching.